Any question from this square and square root?
No, ma'am. No.
Have you completed all up to 15 numbers? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That exercise up to 15 numbers. Yes, questions are in up to 15 numbers. If any question you can ask, okay? If not, then I will start today cube and cube root. Cube and cube root also not a new lesson. Yes, you have learned in class 6 also. Yes or no? Cube and cube root. That is not a new lesson for you. Yes? So today, cube and cube root. Okay, first, what is cube number? Cube root. Cube. Okay? The product of three identical numbers are called cube number. The product of three identical numbers are called cube number. Yes? The product of three identical numbers means three same numbers. Yes? These numbers are called cube numbers. Now, what is the cube of 1? 1 is multiplied 3 times. The product of three identical numbers means 1 into 1 into 1, 1 cube. 1 cube means only 1, yes? 1 cube is 1 or not? Now, what is the cube of 3? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is multiplied 3 times. Yes? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube. 3 cube means 27. Yes? Now, 1 into 1 into 1. 1 is the cube number and 1 itself is a cube root of 1. Cube of 2 is 8 and 2 is a cube root of 8. Cube of 3 is 27. 27 is the 3 is the cube root of 27. Just a reverse. Yes, cube and cube root just reverse. Ulto ho sakta hai. The product of three identical numbers is called cube of the number or cubic number. And one of the identical number is the cube root of cubic number. Yes? The product of three identical number is cube of the number and one of the identical number is cube root of the cube number. And the cube root of the number is denoted by the symbol. You use this symbol for the cube root of the number. Yes? Root, there you write here 3. In square root only you write root. Yes? Now in cube root you can write 3 also. Now cube root of 1 is 1. Cube root of 8, 2. Cube root of 27, 3. Cube root of 64, 4. And cube root of 125, 5 and so on. Yes? Now, how can you find the cube of the given number? Let's hear example. You can see the example. Find the cube of 9. Now, cube of 9 equal to what? 9 cube. 9 is multiplied 3 times. 9 into 9 into 9, 729. Cube of 12 equal to 12 cube. 12 cube means 12 into 12 into 12, 1728. Now, cube of 400, 400 cube. 400 cube means 400 into 400 into 400. 4 into 4, 60. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, 64. Then here, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So at last you write down 6 zeros. You can multiply this number only. It's like this. 400 into 400 into 400. You just multiply the number. 4 into 4 into 4. 64. Then just you can count the zeros and write zeros after this number. Yes. Now this one is what? How to find the cube of given number. Now let's start another one. Cube root. How to find the cube root of given number. Yes. Now to find the cube root of given number, you have to find first, you have to factorize the given cube number. Yes. First of all, you have to factorize. Find the prime factors of cube number, first of all. Here, example is find the cube root of 5832. First of all, you have to find the prime factor of given number. Okay. If 5832 is divisible by 2, it is even number. All the even numbers are divisible by 2. So you can divide by 2. Yes? 2 into 2916, 5832. Again, 2916 is divisible by 2. 2 into 1458, 2960. Again, 1458 is also divisible by 2. 2 into 729, 1458. Now, 729 is not divisible by 2. It is an odd number. It is an odd number. Odd number is not divisible by 2. Now, it is divisible by 3 or not. You can check. How to check if this given number is divisible by 3 or not? You can add the digits. Yes. Now you can add the digits. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 3 or not? So 729 is also divisible by 3. 3 into 243, 729. Yes. Now again 243 is divisible by 3. Yes. 3 into 81, 243. Again 81 is divisible by 3. 3 into 37, 81. Again 27 is divisible by 3. 3 into 9, 27. Again 9 is divisible by 3. 3 into 3, 9. Yes. After finding the prime factors, then you can write the product of prime factors like this. 5832 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 6. Yes. Now you can make the 3 identical factors in the form of cube. In the identical factor line, you can group manage. You can write in the group. You can make the group of 3 identical factors. Yes. 2 into 2 into 2. These 3 are identical factors. So you write in make a group 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. Again 3 identical factors. 3 into 3 into 3, you write 3 cube. Again another 3 identical factors. 3 into 3 into 3, you write 3 cube. Yes. Now after writing this in cube form, now cube root of 5832 equal to, just you take the one factor from this group. Each group you can take one factor. Yes. In group of 2 cubes, you write just you can take the 2. In 3 cubes, you just take the 3. And in again 3 cubes, you just take the 3. Now you can just multiply these numbers. 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 3, 18. You can find cube root. First of all, you have to find the prime factor of given number. And to find the cube root, we should make the group of 3 identical factors. And the product of one of the factors taken from each group is the cube root. Yes? Now this is cube root. How to find cube root? Now example number 3 is which one? Test whether 1080 is a perfect cube number or not. How can you test 1080 is a perfect cube number or not? Now to find the given number is perfect cube number or not, also you have to find first prime factor of the given number. Okay, first of all you have to find the prime factor. Now what are the prime factors of 1080? Sir, here 88. To make 8 here, in book there is 1082. All of you make it 1080. 1080 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now, here also you can group the 3 identical numbers. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube. And 5 is left. 5 is left. To make group of 3 identical factors, here 5 is left to make group of 3 identical factors. Now, if this given number is cube number, the cube number only के हुनु पर्यो त 3 identical factor को group हुनु पर्यो. Now 5 is not in the 5 को चाहिँ छैन नि 3 identical factors. Yes, only 5 is left. Now to make it a perfect square cube number, here we need to multiply by which number? Again 5 into 5. Yes or no? यो given number like perfect cube number बनाउन हामीले कुन नम्बरले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ त? दुईटा 5 चाहियो नि, 5 into 5 25. So here is only single 5. So that's why the given number is not a perfect cube number. Yes, you can find like this. Given number is perfect cube number or not, you can test like this. Okay, first find the prime factor of given number and you can group the 3 identical numbers. If 3 identical numbers are in group, then given number is perfect cube number. If not, then it is not a perfect cube number. Now example number 4 is find the cube root of decimal number 0.125. While finding the cube root of decimal number, first you have to find the decimal number convert into fraction. Yes, decimal number convert into fraction. 125 divided by 1000. Remove decimal and write 1 in denominator. Yes. Then after decimal, how many digits? 3 digits. So you write at last 30. Yes. Now, what is the fraction of decimal number 0.125? 125 by 1000. Now you find the cube root of this fraction. Okay. Cube root of 0.125 equal to cube root of 125 upon 1000. Now what is the cube root? 125 means 5 cube or not? 5 into 5 into 5, 125. What is the cube number of 1000? 10 को cube number कति हो त 1000. Yes, 1000 भनेको कति भयो त 10 cube. 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. Now remove this cube root and 3 cube. Now 5 upon 10 left. 5 upon 10 means what? 0.5. Yes, this is cube root of decimal number. Now example number 5 is simplify. Root over cube root 2 square into 3 into cube root 2 into 3 square. Now cube root, both have cube root. दुवैको cube root छ, त्यसैले हामीले एउटै cube root लेख्न सकिन्छ. Yes. 2 square into 3 into 2 into 3 square. You write combine. If you have cube root को लागि चाहिँ combine गर्दा चाहिँ यति भयो. 2 square into 2, 2 cube. 3 into 3 square, 3 cube. So here also 3 and cube root cancel. Again here 3 and cube root cancel. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Yes? Yes or no? Now example number 6 is what? If a solid cubical block is 14 centimeter long, find its volume. Now what is the volume of cube? L cube. Yes? Volume of cube is L cube. Length, breadth and height are equal in cube. So in place of breadth and height, you can write length. L into L into L, L cube. So your length of the cubical block equal to 14 centimeter given. Now volume of the block equal to L cube. The length is given 14 centimeter. In place of length, you write 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter cube is 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter, 2744 centimeter cube. Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, centimeter cube. So therefore means the required volume of the block is 2744 centimeter cube. This is also example. Okay, there are some questions are there in your book. Yes. Let's see this. Exercise 3.4 general section. Question number 1. 3 cube means 27. 30 cube, 27,000. Yes. 30 has 1 0. So its cube is 27,000 has 3 zeros. 300 has 2 zeros. So its cube has 6 zeros. कुनै पनि पछाडी 0 भएको नम्बरको स्क्वायर रुट के क्यूब रुट फाइन्ड गर्दाखेरि यसको 2 if the given number has 2 zeros, its cube root has 6 zeros. Yes, if the given number is as 1 0, its cube root has 3 zeros. Okay, apply this tricky idea, you can find the following cube of following number. Okay, question number 1. 2 cube means what? 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 8.
8.
Yes. Now 20 cube. 20 has only 1 0. So what is about this 20 cube ma कतिवटा 0 हुन पर्यो? 3 zeros. Yes. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Then you write 3 zeros. Means what? 8,000. Now in 2,000 cube, so 200 cube. In 200 there are 2 zeros. अब 200 मा दुईटा 0 भयो भने त्यसको क्यूबमा कतिवटा 0 हुनु पर्यो?
6.
6 zeros. Yes. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Then you write 6 zeros. Apply this technique. To technique use गरेर you have to follow this technique and tell the cube of given numbers. Okay. 4 cube. What is the cube of 4? 4 into 4 into 4?
64.
What? 64. Yes. What is the cube of 40 now? Apply this technique and write in 40 only 1 0. Now what is the cube of 40? How many zeros are there in this 40? Cube of 40. 40 मा एउटा मात्र 0 भएकोले त्यसको क्युबमा कतिवटा 0 हुनु पर्यो?
30.
Yes. And 4 into 4 into 4, 64. What is the cube of 40 now? 64,000. You don't understand? बुझेको छैन यो टेक्निक? भर्खर मैले भनेको. Now in 400 cube also. 4 into 4 into 4 what? 64. Yes. Now what is the cube of 4? How many zeros are there in 400 cube?
6 zeros.
So you write at last 6 0. Yes. I. Third. 5 cube equal to what?
120.
125. 50 cube. Then 50 cube equal to what? What is the cube of 50? Don't know. You don't know. What is the cube of 50? अघि मैले भनेको उ गर न टेक्निक युज गर न.
1 lakh.
5 cube means 125. In 50, how many zeros are there? 1 0. Now what is the cube of 50? In 50 of cube of 50, how many zeros are there? 3 0 or not? If given number has only 1 0, if cube has 3 zeros, it's one. If the given number has 3 zeros, if cube has 9 zeros. Now what is the cube of 50? 500 cube. 500. In 500, how many zeros? 2 zeros. Yes. Now if cube has how many zeros? 6 zeros. And what is the cube of 5? 125. Cube of 5 is 125. Then at last you write down 6 0. 125 लेखिसकेपछि कतिवटा 0 लेख्नु पर्यो पछाडि 6 वटा 0. IV, what is the cube of 6?
260.
6 into 6, 36. 36 into 6. Hmm? 36 into 6 what?
260.
216, yes. Now what is the cube of 60? Cube of 6 is 216. Now you can write how many zeros? After 6,
3 zeros.
3 zeros. Yes, 2,16,000. Cube of 60 is. Now, what is the cube of 600? 6 into 6 into 6, 216. Now in 600, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So, if 2 zeros, this cube has how many zeros?
6 zeros.
At last you write 6 zeros. Do you understand now? Apply this technique while doing this type of questions are coming, and you have to find the cube of this number. You use that technique, okay? Now B number. Again, cube root of 8 is 2.
यहाँ जुमले लान्छ नि त यिनी सबै
Yes, cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 8,000 equal to 20. While finding the cube root of 8 is 2. Now in 8,000 there are 3 zeros. So while finding the cube root, you write 1/3. तीनटा zero को 1/3 part चाहिँ zero लेख्ने है cube root find गर्दा चाहिँ तीनटा zero को 1/3 part भनेको एउटा zero 1/3 3 zero को एउटा zero लेख्ने while finding cube root. While finding cube number find गर्दा चाहिँ एउटा zero को तीनटा zero लेख्ने. Yes, to find cube root 3 zeros you write 1 0. If 6 zeros you write 2 zeros. So what is the cube root of this 80 lakhs? 80 lakhs cube root कति हुन्छ त? Cube root of 8 is 2. Now here are 6 zeros. 6 zero को कतिवटा zero लेख्ने त? 2 zeros. So 8,000 has 3 zeros. So its cube root as 20 has 1 0. Then 80 lakhs has 6 zeros. So its cube root 200 has 2 zeros. Let's investigate the tricky idea from the above facts. Tell and write the cube root of this number as quickly as possible. Okay. Here also you investigate the tricky idea from the fact, and you can find the cube root of the given number. Okay. What is the cube root of 27? Okay, tell me. What is the cube root of 27? What? Cube root of 27 is what? I am asking to you, what is the cube root of 27?
3.
All are white. All of you are quiet. Why? Quiet for the I am just asking you. While I am teaching you, you become silent. My ma'am le पढाउने बेलामा त चुप लाएर बस्ने. What is the cube root of 27?
3.
3. Now what is the cube root of 27,000?
40.
40. What is the cube root of 27 lakhs?
300.
27 lakhs. 2 crore 70 lakhs. 300. Yes. Now I. What is the cube root of 64? 4. Next.
40.
64,000. 40. Next.
400.
Oh, it's about not. What is the cube root of 260?
60.
Next.
60. 600.
60. Then
600.
600. What is the cube root of 512? 500 cube root of 512 is 8. Yes. Here in book you write directly answer. Next. 9,800. Now creative section A, all of you do in your copy. Okay. This general section, all of you do in your book. And creative section A, you do in your copy. Now question number 2. Let's find the cube of 6. What is the cube of 6?
206.
406. Cube of 6 is
206.
406. 216. Don't write directly answer. Okay? Here is example number 1. You see example number 1. You do like this. Cube of 6 equal to 6 cube. 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6 equal to 216. All of you do by process. Use the, okay? Don't write the directly answer. Cube of 6 equal to 216. All of you understood or not? Cube of 6 equal to 6 cube. 6 cube means what? 6 into 6 into 6, 216. Now question number 3. Let's find the cube of 2 by 6. What is the cube of 2 by 3? Cube of 2 by 3 is 2 by 3 whole cube. Yes? 2 by 3 whole cube means what? 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Yes? Now you can multiply this numerator. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. You can multiply denominator. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Now what is the cube of 2 by 3? 8 by 27. Did you understand? Question number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
2 by 3 cube means 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Now you can just multiply the numerator. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. And then you can multiply denominator. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Now let's see in number. In number is in mixed number, mixed fraction. So first of all, you have to convert it in improper fraction. 1 whole number 1 by 4 means what? 5 by 4. 5 by 4 or not? 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Your denominator is 5. So 5 by 4. Now you can find the cube of 5 by 4. Yes? Now question number 4. Find the cube root of the following number. And now you can find the cube root of 64, 512, 729, 1000 and 5832. 5832 is just you done in your book. Yes? Example number 2. 5832. Cube root of 5832 is done in your book. Example number 2. Now question number 5. Find the cube root of 8 by 27. Now this also, first you find the cube of 8 and cube of 27. Just like example number, this one. First of all, you have to find cube of 8 is 2 cube or not. 8 means 27 means 3 cube. And cube root and cube cancel. Answer is what? 2 by 3. What is the cube root of 8 by 27? 2 by 3. Yes? Okay, all of you, question number 5. All of you do this question number E, last number, okay. All of you do 5E in your copy.
5E.
Okay, 5E, last number. First, find the cube root of 512 and 3375. Cube root of 512 upon 3375. First, you write, put the sign of cube root. Cube root को sign दिने पहिला. Now factorize 512. 512 लाई factorize गरेर कति आयो factorize गर्दा 2 into how many 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 2 yes. While factorizing 512, what is the product of prime factor? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2
Ma'am,
is multiplied
9 2.
9. Yes,
2
9
2
times.
into 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 2 2.
Again, you can factorize 3375. Now, while factorizing 3375, the product of prime factor is 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Yes? Now, 3 identical numbers, 3 same numbers you write in one group.
3375 is factorized 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 5 into 5 into 5.
Now, group in the group, 3 identical numbers you write in the group. In the identical number like group 3 2 into 2 into 2 2 cube. Yes. Again 2 into 2 into 2 2 cube. Again 2 into 2 into 2 2 cube. Now 3 into 3 into 3 3 cube. 5 into 5 into 5 5 cube. You write in the form of cube. सबैलाई ग्रुपमा लेखेर क्युबको फर्ममा ल्याउने. Now then 3 and cube root cancel. All of you write cube root also. You have to find the cube root of 512 upon 3375. You write the sign of cube root. Now 3 and cube root cancel. Just you write only 2. Yes, अब cube root और 3 cancel भएपछि कुन बाँकी रह्यो त 2 into 2 into 2 upon 3 into 5. Yes or no? Cube root and 3 cancel. Cube root और 3 cancel भएपछि कुन number बाँकी रह्यो? In numerator 2 into 2 into 2 left, and in denominator 3 into 5. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, and 3 into 5 15. Yes. Now what is the cube root of 512 upon 3375? 8 by
8 upon 15.
yes, 8 upon
Cube.
15 is the cube root of 512 upon 3375. Now did you understand?
8 upon 15 cube.
Not cube, only 8 upon 15. Cube to cancel huncha ta. 3 and cube
Cube
root
or
are
cots. Yeah.
cancel. Yes. Now only 8 by 15 left. You have to find the cube root. Now, so you just put the cube root, symbol of cube root. While finding the cube root, you put the symbol. Okay? Now, let's start question number 6. Find the cube root of the following decimal number. Okay. While finding the cube root of decimal number, first of all, you have to convert decimal number into fraction. Yes, question number 6A. Look here, first of all, question number 6A is 0.008. 0.008. First, you convert 0.008 into what? Cube root of. Write down cube root of 0.008. You write the symbol of cube root. First of all, then write 0.08. 0.008. Now, after writing cube root, now you can convert 0.008 into fraction. What is the fraction of 0.008? 8 by 1000. Yes. Remove decimal and write 1 in denominator. After decimal, how many digits here? 3 digits. So you write 30. Now 0008 means only 8. If there is no decimal number and if there is 0 in front of the given number, don't need to write 0. Yes, 0008 means only 8. 0 is not needed to write. Now 0.008 means 8 by 1000. Now after convert into fraction, now what is the cube of what? 8 is the cube of what? 2 or not? In place of 8 you write 2 into 2 into 2. Yes, 1000 means 10 into 10 into 10. 10 cube. 8 means 2 cube. 10,000 means 10 cube. Yes or no? 8 भनेको 2 cube. 10,000 भनेको 10 cube. 10 into 10 into 10,000. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So you write 2 cube upon 10 cube. Cube root of 2 cube upon 10 cube. And here also this cube and cube root cut. Cube root cut भएपछि कुन बाँकी रह्यो? 2 by 10. Yes? 2 by 10, here now you convert into decimal. 2 by 10 means 0.2. 2 by 10 means 0.2 or not?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Now all of you do key number. Okay? Last number 1.331. Find the cube root of 1.331.
Sound के हो? टाइम पण साउंड साउंड के हो?
Yes.
1.1.
Answer is what? 1.1. All are finished? Not? First factorize. Now first of all convert into fraction. Fraction में convert करा करी उनसे था 1331 by 100,000. Yes. While converting 1.331 into fraction 1331 by 1000. Now you can factorize 1331. 1331 is odd number. It is not divisible by 2. Now check it is divisible by 3 or not. It is also not divisible by 3. Yes, the sum is 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So 1331 is also not divisible by 3. Now it is divisible by 5, not. Yes. Now it is divisible by 7. It is also not divisible by 7. You can divide only by prime number. Now after 7, prime number is 11. Now it is divisible by 11 or not? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It is divisible by 11. Yes. How can you check if given number is divisible by 11 or not? Just adding the alternate digit. Alternate digit means 1 plus 3, 3 plus 1. 1 plus 3, 4.
Ma'am, it is divisible
3
by
plus
11.
1, 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now what is the difference of these two sums? 4 minus 4 equal to 0. If the difference is 0, given number is divisible, 0 or divisible by 11. Given number is divisible by 11. So it is divisible by 11. Yes, 11 into 1, 11. 11 into 2, 22. 11 into 1, 11. 11 into 121, 1331. Again, 121 is divisible by 11. 11 into 11, 121. Now 1331 means what? 11 into 11 into 11, 11 cube. Yes? Now 1000 means 10 cube. 10 into 10 into 10, 10 cube. Now
Yes.
3 and cube root cancel. Now what left? 11 by 10. 11 by 10 means convert into decimal.
1.1. 1.1.
Very good. 11 by 10 means 1.1. Now you can do question number 6 also. Yes. Now question number 7. Now question number 7 also, A, B, C is very easy. Yes. Question number A, you can just cut cube and cube root. Question number A में cube root का cube कर और कुल number बाकी रहो 3 into 5. 3 into 5 equal to 15. Only 2 steps. Now question number D, look here. Question number D is cube root of 8 into 12. Sorry, wait in 125. Sorry.
And 3, 5 into
Now-
15 cube. Who have to do 15 cube only?
First, what is the cube of 2? Cube of 2 is 8 or not? So in place of 8, you write 2 cube. Yes? What is the cube of 125? Sorry, 25. Sorry, 5. Cube of 5 is 125. Yes? So in place of 125, you write 5 cube. Yes or no? 8 को ठाउँमा हामीले के लेख्न सक्छौं 2 cube. 125 को ठाउँमा के लेख्न सक्छौं 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5, 125. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Basically, in place of 8, you write 2 cube, and in place of 125, you write 5 cube. Now, after writing this, then you can just cancel cube and cube root. And what is the left? What is left? 2 into 5. Yes? 2 into 5 equal to 10. Yes or no? Now, question number E also you can do. Yes? Now you do which number? Okay. E number, okay. First, all of you do E number. Cube root of 64 into 125. Okay, all of you do E number. और इसमें अपन cube root cancel वर्ष कुन बाकी रह्यो 4 into 5 equal to 20. Okay, up to 7 number. Okay, you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Any confusion you can ask. Okay, you can ask me. के छ भने मलाई सोध्ने है.